So, hello and welcome, all of you all. I know this was a very quick invite to this amazing, awesome modality, which we are going to just explore today and let you know a little bit more about it. This is Access Consciousness and different classes which are available in under that, and we'll be talking more on access bars. So,
Can
I'm
you
Parita.
introduce yourself? Yes.
I'm Par. Yeah, I was doing that. I'm Parita from Pune. I'm an Access Bars facelift body process facilitator, and now I just became an CFMW, which I did COP. And how does it get even better than this? And this is Ritu Bahari. She's from Bangalore. She too is an CFMW and Access Bars facelift and body process facilitator and practitioner. So we both are doing that, and now we are just exploring lots of new modalities. We both are transformational coach, energy healers, money, business, relationship, body. So we explore each part. We do book reads, and we facilitate many other modalities like Ritu and me. We both
Yes.
are tarot readers. I'm a
Yes.
money Reiki healer, and lots and lots. So you name it, and we are here. And this is a month of
Suicide aware.
suicide awareness by access consciousness also, like, so we are here to spread this modality more and more. I wonder what wonders can we do with it. So we'll be just giving a brief introduction to it. So over to you, Ritu. Thank you.
So, welcome everyone, and thank you so much, Parita, for your amazing introduction to yourself and to me. And guys, we are really happy to have this platform and talk about the modality which is very close to our heart, access consciousness. And I just want to know if there is anybody here on this platform who has not experienced access bars, or who is not I will not use the word aware, who has not experienced anything from access consciousness. So if anyone is there, so just let us know, then we will take the energies from there on. So anybody who is new to access, or everybody right now who is here has done access consciousness? Guys, everyone has done. Can I have a thumbs up? Cool. So how did we get so lucky to have people who have already chosen okay, Smita. Yeah. So welcome, Smita. Yeah. So yes, so all the people, those who have already been exploring access consciousness, so welcome you, and welcome to all the new people. Yes, we have Chitra also joining, who is, I know, is a newcomer. So welcome, Smita and Chitra. Guys, can we have you on the screen so that we know to who we are talking? It would be more fun. And Parita, my co-facilitator, co-host, just gave an introduction to us. Guys, we would like to have you on the screen if it is fun for you. Yeah, so it is your choice though. Yeah. So, Smita and Chitra, so we are going to talk about this amazing modality called, hi guys, who's, yeah, hi everyone, called access consciousness. So, it is not exactly a modality, it is, a way of living, and which has tools and process to get you to your core, to get you connected to your being, to yourself, to you who you are, the consciousness. So, access consciousness actually means accessing you. Okay, and it's been founded by Dr. Gary Douglas and Dr. Dane Heer, and both these guys are Americans, and it's been almost 20, more than 25 years. Gary Douglas channeled this process through called Access Bar, Yeah, welcome, Chitra. So, yeah, okay. So, he was always in a quest of exploring what is more possible on this planet. So, Gary was one of those humanoids who was never happy with whatever was presented to him in this lifetime. So, his quest to always search for a place where there would be a possibility where each person and each being on this planet can have ease, joy, and glory. So he kind of channeled this information through a medium called Rasputin, and he discovered that there are 32 points on our head, which, when gently touched, just gently touched, allow us to dissipate all our thoughts, feeling, emotions, which stop us from being the true potent being who we truly be. So it is a very gentle touch on the 32 points on our head. So all those people, those who have experienced before, know that how, blissful is the experience that when you just get your bars run, you are in a space of total space. There are no thoughts showing up for some time. So, as we keep doing this process again and again, we become more present in every aspect of our life. Let it be money, let it be a relationship, let it be with our body. The advantage is that we are shutting the autopilot mode and we become conscious. We always get present and have a choice how to choose our life. So it's an amazing space to be. And that is what I have to say about access consciousness right now. Maybe Parita can add few more things. Parita, you have the manual. Can you read few lines from there, dear? Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll just read a little bit about it. Um, Access bar. So about access consciousness, now we'll move to the core class, which is known as access bars, which we are talking about right now. So access bars have the capacity to create shift in your body, shifts in your level of awarenesses, and shifts in your level of joy. So if when you take in session, your whole life might change, or it will at least be you had a very good massage. Okay. Access bars is a gentle hands-on techniques that quiets the mind. Getting your bars run, what we call it when you receive a session, allows people to lack back, not have to do anything and just receive. The bars are the 32 points on your head, which, when gently touched effortlessly and easily, can release anything that doesn't allow you to receive. The universe is endless and abundant and desiring to gift to you. We actually have to put up barriers to not receive the greatness, beauty, and magic of what is available. The bars breaks down those walls and barriers. This is an opportunity for all to let go of everything. So it works on the different aspects of your body, including sleep, health, wealth. It also works on money, sex, relationship, anxiety, stress, and much, much more. You never know what it will work on. Like, when you have one issue, it might start with something else and then come to that issue. Okay, and even kids can run these things, and like from 3 years onwards the kids can learn. The kids are free to learn this amazing process.
I'll just
uh,
add on here. The founder Gary Douglas and Dane have made this like a free gift to children all below 15 years. They can learn access bars free when they're accompanied by their parents, and from the age 15 to 18, it's half price, because Gary and Dane have this perspective that children have no point of view and it's easy for them to access their consciousness. And he truly desires that this gift should be available to each and every child on this planet. Yeah, Sarita, continue.
Yeah. So this is little bit about access bars. Like if you all have understood or you've not understood, you all can just ask us, and then we'll proceed forward to the tools, like which will be telling you what tools can you use, and a little a bit a taster, like how we run these bars. Okay. So would anyone like to ask anything? Did you all understand what we are trying to, or what we convey to you all?
Smita, yeah, Smita, did you understand? Because you are a first time, yeah. So did you get any information? Can you please respond to us? Yeah, you can unmute and come.
You'll have
Unmute yourself. Yes. Okay.
So this is like what I understood is it is like a there are certain points in our head by which we will by using which by some technique or some tools which we will use it and which will help us to access all our consciousness. Am I correct now?
Yes, please.
Oh.
Yes. So what happens that when we run, just gently press these points, it's like a delete button. How we have a delete button in the computer, and when you have so much of extra files, and you want to remove the crap. So it is that simple that when we touch our head, trust me, it's like after one session, you feel there is nothing left in your head. We all, those who have experience, they all know about it. And more as you start doing it, you life becomes like actually free flowing. And we have this word ease. It actually becomes like a ease. Everything comes to you with total ease. Yeah. Yeah, so Chitra, we would like to know from you also, because you are also a first comer here. Did you kind of get that what we were trying to tell you, what is access bars? Yeah, Chitra, go ahead, please.
Yes, I think I understood the concept. It's I am eagerly looking forward to it actually.
Yes,
So
me too. I'm looking forward to have you.
it seems to be really magical.
It-
I just want to experience it.
Sure, sure. So we are looking forward to have you over. Yeah. And
basically, when we touch these, we call the energies, and it is just deleting all your judgments which you've got from your childhood. Like ऐसा किया तो ऐसा ही होता है. So because ifs and it's and all are just removed, and it opens to the new possibilities and new awarenesses which you start downloading from the
so
universe.
in English we say you get rid of crap, and हिंदी में बोलते हैं so जो जितना भी कचरा पट्टी रहता है वो सब निकल जाता है. तो वो जैसे कि डस्टिंग करते हैं ना, आप अपने आप को मशीन में डालते हैं, वॉशिंग मशीन डालते हो, या ड्राई क्लीनिंग, हाँ ड्राई क्लीनिंग करते हैं, तो इट इज अपने दिमाग से सब कचरा निकाल के you are new every time you get a session done, or you start doing it for yourself, or when you do for others. So yes, it is that such a that beautiful process to learn. Yeah, Parita, you were
I
telling.
have a question. Sorry.
Yes.
Can I?
Yes, Chitra.
Yeah. So, how much of this is we are able to benefit out of with just one session?
So
Parita will
Did you
reply.
get my question?
so चित्रा, हम कितने साल के हैं? जितने साल से हमारे इसमें implants होते गए हैं. Do you understand Hindi? I hope you all understand Hindi also. Yeah.
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 I understand.
तो हम जितने सालों के बचपन से हमारे इसमें यानी every second there is an implant in our mind which has been observed like a sponge, we are mind, and these implants are the sponge bobs. So we keep on observing things from all the environment where we are staying. So एक ही सेशन में सब निकल जाएगा ऐसा भी जरूरी नहीं, या मैक्सिमम ऑफ द थिंग्स आर रिमूव्ड. हाँ, हो तो सकता है ये सब, how potent you are, obviously. But it's always like how much more you receive the sessions, you gain more and more possibilities opening up, you more and more awarenesses. And क्योंकि जब भी आप इम्प्लांट्स रन करोगे या जो भी आप ये प्रोसेस जो बोलते हैं, आप डिलीट भी करते हो लेकिन आप वापस से वही सोसाइटी में रहने वाले हो. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द हिमालयस और वेर यू नॉट गोइंग टू लिसन टू एनीथिंग नाउ. So again the implants are going to come, right? So you have, this is a hands on process and it's like jitna karoge utna aur enhance hota jata hai. We ourselves being practitioner and being into this modality, I think Ritu is into this since 5 6 years, me being into it 3 years. We run a bars almost every day, or and we have swaps, like you know, where we can practice. And also, and it is like there's no wrongness over here. Jitna run karo utna apna hi hai. Like how much you are asking for more to open up to you, you can just keep on receiving. एक बार run करके भी बहुत कुछ होता है. But yeah, when you are getting this at such a nice thing, I would like, और कुछ मत करो, सिर्फ बाज रन करो और आगे भी इसका कुछ मत सीखो. But it is an amazing thing, like you know, that is like, I will vouch for it. I hope, I think everyone on this who knows bars, they will also vouch. Like every time you run your bars, something or the other new possibilities and lots, like your body starts reacting, or whatever the ease in your these ease what you have in your bodies also start dissipating, and lots of things, like many things shift, relationship, money, many things. So it is like not one time process. That
Yeah,
is what
thank you,
I would
Parita.
say.
So very well, put across, Chitra, कि वही बात है, कचरा भरने में भी तो इतने साल लगा दिए. Though it is a possibility, 100% a possibility that anything can show up for you in one session too. But yes, as Parita said, कि as we are living in this reality, we are not, हमने कोई वही संन्यास तो लिया नहीं है. We are not like staying in Himalayas कि we don't have families or we don't have people कि हमको effect नहीं होता. So everything. So that's why this process and this tool and this modality is so different कि yet आप इस life में रहते हुए भी you can access the best, the most potent part of you. So it's like that. हमें कहीं दूर नहीं भागना. It will be a part of our lifestyle, and you can access that ease in your life anytime and every day. So
I
that's
would
how,
like,
yeah.
I would come over, like to come over here, like you know,
Yeah,
मैं अभी भी
sure.
सोचती हूँ कि अगर मुझे ये बचपन से मिला रहता तो अभी मेरी लाइफ कहाँ पे रहती. So always vouch कि बच्चों को पहले सिखाओ. And I'm really grateful to Access Consciousness. It is giving this such a amazing modality, free of like nothing they're charging, and the kids are amazing. Like I have two daughters, one is 3 years, one is 15 years, and both have done all the classes with me, and I really tell you, like they are wonders. Yeah. So we all even clash.
Yes.
I don't say कि पूरा एकदम ऐसे एकदम amazing fairy tale है life में, but they have so much more awarenesses and so many more tools to use, which if I would have got, my life would have been changed, whatever, like. And I'm thankful that I've received and I've like got it right now also. So this is an
Hello,
amazing
Mesh.
modality.
Welcome.
Whatever. Hello, Mesh.
Yeah. So well said. Yeah, because I have seen her daughters also, and I have adult boys, but everybody see, and you know what happens when one person in the family starts changing and shifting. जब आपकी vibrations बदलती हैं, जब आप अपनी हर चीज of life में present हो जाते हो, and there is nothing right and wrong about it. Actually, now, if I talk about, basically Access Consciousness tells us कि it talks about, there is no, the polarities जो हमारे को इस reality में entrain कर दिया गया है, that everything is either good or bad, or it is right or wrong. But when we start running our bars, we become present to whatever is present now. So in now, what may be right for me may not be right for the other person. So it is your perception and your neutral space कि आप इस space से क्या create करते हो. So if you are willing to let go of that, attachment with right and wrong, good and bad, then you have access to the infinite possibilities in every aspect of life. Let it be your finances, let it be your relationships, let it be with your body and with anything and everything. So it is that kind of space. So I truly get that maybe Chitra and Smita, that you did receive some information from us. Can you just give us a thumbs up for that?
I think Satinder is also not from Access.
Okay, so Satinder, would you like to tell us that?
One more question I have.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, so once we attend these sessions and we learn it from you, can we do it on ourselves, or it is somebody has to do it for us and we can do it only on others?
No, you can, sorry, okay, I'll come in here. You can do it on yourself. And yes, so like we have in every city and in every area, we have different people, those who meet. Abhi to lockdown ho gaya tha. Actually, we all have been missing, but yet we have been lucky. We all have been interacting through Zoom, but we miss the touch of it though. So you can do it for yourself, sure. And Parita is just going to show you because we just thought we will introduce you to 2 points here as an intro. So Parita, let's do that for them. Yeah.
Do we talk first about one tool? Do we give them a tool? What is the other thing like bars and
Ha,
one more tool?
tool, abhi she's talking about what?
Cherry on the cake.
Yes, of course we can.
Okay, we'll talk about.
Yeah. Yeah, let's talk about
Yeah. So actually, I'll tell about here. Gary says it's always better to get your bars run from someone, because body needs a touch. But अगर ऐसा कुछ है तो it is not nothing. So that is what access is. It's very this. No right, no wrong. अभी लग रहा है तो I just ask my bars to run, and whichever bars at that time I can just feel them and they start running, and I ask them to stop also. So there are lots of finite possibilities also available over here. And यहाँ पे खुद के awareness से जाना is always recommended. So if I have said something, you don't have to go कि मुझे ऐसा ही करना है. अगर आपको वो टाइम पे ये अवेयरनेस आ रही है कि मैं और किसी को बुला के या you can ask someone to just touch the points you feel and you can run your bars, whatever. So that's all ease over here. There's no wrongness and no rightness over here. Okay? I hope I made it clear. You're muted.
yeah, very well. Yeah, very well.
Yeah.
So yes,
Yeah.
so basically the concept again is that everybody likes to be touched, and maybe yes, your self touch, yes, but it is more nurturing if you receive it from someone else. And if you have children, and that's why we encourage that if you have like a family, it should be like a family package, you know. If and it's like, okay, if something is happening in your लाइफ, आपको स्ट्रेस करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपके पास में सारे टूल्स हैं. यू आर लाइक यू हैव एक्सेस टू योरसेल्फ. मतलब नहीं तो हम लोग कैसे घबरा जाते हैं हर मोमेंट पे. सो ऑल दिस विल हेल्प यू टू टेक चार्ज and be the leader of your life. You be the leader of your life like that. So yes, now Parita will show us 2 points. Parita.
Yeah. So first, I'd like to read about those points.
Yes, please.
I'll be telling you all about an energy pull which we do in Access, and I'll teach you one implant band which we are talking about right now. So at least you all can, I mean, you all can do with me. It's better if someone does it. Even if no one does it, you all can do it on your own also. Okay. So right now we have virtual bars also running everywhere all over the world. So we can just be that part also. So this is the energy pull point which we are running. This is your
Third eye.
third eye. You put 3 fingers over here, and there's this power band just behind here.
I'll also show. So जिसको जो दिखता है yeah.
The hairline and the neckline, I say. And you just keep your hands over here, and you can ask power band run, power band run, power band run. Okay. So this is an energy pull. So these are not bars, but this is an energy pool you get for you all to get in communion with your body and the universal energies. Okay. So when you're running on others, you always do these energies for that body to relax and start getting
So
the
maybe today आज आप try करके देखना चित्रा. You know, how does your body feel after this?
आंटी आप भी करिए प्रभा आंटी
Uh,
energy
Ritu, I'm so sorry. I'm actually in the car and
driving. I know.
my network is very patchy. Parita's screen actually froze. I couldn't see anything what she did.
No problem.
Yeah, now can you
Chitra,
see
we'll
me?
be
Now I
we'll
can
be
see.
putting the
Now I can see.
we'll be sharing the recording.
Yeah.
Don't
So
worry.
you just touch your
Okay.
third eye with the three fingers and the line between your hair and the neck at the back, that is the power band. So
Okay.
you say power band run, energy pull, energy pull, energy pull. Okay?
Okay.
And you can wait till you feel the energies and you will start feeling the energies. Start pulling the energy from Mother Earth, universe, the body, and just feel that. So you get connected, okay, to the energies and the body also relaxes.
Okay.
Oh, it's so nice.
So the
Yeah. So
so
actually,
the hand should be at the base of the neck, is it?
yes, yes.
Yeah, hairline and the neck,
Hairline and the neck.
where your hair starts, right? Yeah. And you can always connect us on the group if you're like this, and we'll be sharing the recording
Sure,
also.
sure.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So Parita,
And
another.
the second one is the implant band. Yeah. Second one is the implant band. I'll just read little bit about
Yes,
implant
please.
band. Okay.
Yeah.
What is an implant band? So the implant band is behind the ear. I'll show you the point. You can find it by touching behind the ear and pulling your fingers away from the ear. You will come over a ridge and the implant band is right after that. The implant band is where you have all the thoughts, ideas, beliefs, considerations, attitudes, and emotions that you either aligned and agreed with or resisted and reacted to, which allowed you to be implanted in the first place. It affects all the other parts of your body and deals with everything that has been implanted in you in any lifetime. So everything whichever we are speaking is also an implant. You know, you're implanting over here. So when we start running that, we start deleting the files which are not required. So implant band is, this is the ear. There's a ridge over here behind the ear, like there's a bone, and after the bone, there's a ridge. So you take these three fingers and you touch over here, and you can ask both sides. With a both sides. Yeah,
Yes, and
right.
you have
And you can say
implant band run,
implant
implant
band run.
implant band run 3 times.
Hope you all got it.
Yes.
And you'll feel that pulse. You'll feel the pulse over here. Behind the ear, there's a bone ridge over here, and you can just start doing it. Your fingers will start touching it on its
So
own.
no worry.
So
Today
there's no
is
wrongness के point आया कि नहीं है.
just a small intro. We'll be coming with proper sessions and classes. So you receive whatever is easy for you. Don't get hassled. Just even actually, if you start with energy pull also, what Parita showed in the first place itself starts making a lot of difference. 3 fingers on your third eye and the other hand there below your, just the tip.
Smita, can you see?
Yes.
Okay, you're doing the energy. Sorry, I missed.
No, show her that, please. You can show her, Parita. Show her that.
Yeah. This one. This is the ear line. Yeah.
No worries, you will get the recording also.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when you learn the bars, you get the chart, you get the manual, and you'll be running that process on someone. The process will be run on you. So it is like an amazing process, hands-on process. You receive the session also, and you give the session at that time. So it is that time you will come to more. You'll be more clear, like. Okay.
So Parita, you said
So
you're
this was
giving
just,
one
you can
more
just
tool.
keep on saying.
You said you will share one more tool.
So Access also believes this is an hands-on process, and Access also believes on some verbal tools, questioning to the universe. Then there is like one mantra of Access, which I think maximum people just use it, and it's a magic wand. और कुछ नहीं आया ये आ गया तो भी बहुत है. You just keep on saying all of life comes to us with ease, joy and glory. And in this pandemic, Dr. Dane here, he suggested you all can say this for 200 300 times in a day, and the energy shift, and they are really shifting, like जो कुछ भी होने वाला है लाइफ में वो होगा, लेकिन if you ask for ease, joy and glory, it will just surpass, like so you won't have that impact, and you won't solidify in your life कि ऐसा कुछ मेरे साथ बहुत बड़ा हो गया. So it just goes on, and it will be, your life will be ease, joy and glory. So you can just start right now. Morning 10 times, night 10 times. All of life
Let's
comes to
do
us with
20
ease,
times.
joy. Okay, 20 times. Chalo.
Do
Okay,
20.
Umesh, can you write down on the chat all of life?
Yeah, yeah. So
It is all of
Umesh is also a dear friend of ours, and he's also doing bars and all that. And we all of us are like always, on different classes, having sessions together. So yes, so grateful to
so.
have people co-creating and hopping on to spread this beautiful modality out in the world, and especially in this month of suicide awareness, where people are depressed, they are in anxiety, they are stressed, they don't know what to do. So this is one of the tools, guys. Whenever you learn, and best thing is get more and more children involved into it. How Parita said, it is one of the best gift you can give to children. And earlier they learn, they will not have those implants implanted in us. So they will choose consciousness right from the beginning. They will have ease and glory and joy in all their aspects of life. So our purpose is that to spread access, to as many people on this planet. Yeah. Yeah, because
So let us say it 10 times now.
yes, please, let's do it.
All
All
of life comes.
comes to us with ease, joy, and glory. Say, Parita.
All of life comes to
Mita, it's
us.
written in the chat also. And don't worry, you'll find, I will post it in the group also. All of life comes to us with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to us with ease,
joy
And
and
glory.
glory. All of life comes to
all of
us with
life
ease,
comes to
comes
us
to
with
us with
joy
ease,
and
joy and
glory.
glory. All of
Life
All of life comes
life
to us
comes
with
to us with ease, joy and glory.
all of life comes to us with
Comes to us with ease, joy and glory.
all of life comes
Of
to us
life comes to
with
us with
joy and
ease, joy and glory.
all of life
Of
comes to
life comes to us with ease, joy and glory.
all of life comes to us
Life
with
comes to us with
joy.
ease, joy and glory.
Parita, you go ahead.
all of life comes to us with ease, joy, and
Ease,
glory.
joy and glory.
All of life comes to us with ease, joy, and
Ease,
glory.
joy and glory.
Yes, thank
And
you.
so after this, yeah, you all can use one more tool. How does it get even better than this? So whatever the situation in your life, good, bad, ugly, whatever, you all can just keep on saying, how does it get even better than this? So right now we said 10 times this, and then after this we can continue with how does it get even better than this. So the energies just get better and better and better and better. And if something wrong is going on, this it might shift to getting a better thing. Like बहुत intense नहीं होगा कोई भी चीज. So it is like just being in those energies of going, just surpassing all the bad things and having all ease, joy, and glory. Okay.
So,
So these are the two tools we've given.
So what actually the founders of Access Consciousness, they tell us that, whenever we are in the question, whenever we question the universe, rather than going into a conclusion, rather than saying, कि मेरे साथ तो आज ऐसा ही हो रहा है, and instead we ask a question, what else is possible here? So when you are asking a question, you have already stopped the energy of that conclusion, and there will be a possibility that energies will shift for you. And how Parita said that how does it get any better? So whatever has shown up, if you have, okay, so if you have won a lottery of 10 rupees, and if you keep asking, how does it get any better? So first of all, you are filling your heart with gratitude, and then you are asking again universe, इससे और भी कैसा अच्छा हो सकता है? So it is again the energy of questions will open to infinite possibilities. Not that कि जो हो रहा है बस ऐसे ही हो सकता है. So that is how, you know, we live in autopilot mode. We have been taught नहीं, it is, अब जैसे आज अगर रात है तो बस रात ही बोलो, मतलब रात को बाहर जाना तो कुछ गड़बड़ी होएगी. So अगर आपके दिमाग में वो इम्प्लांटेड है पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि आप रात को बाहर निकलते हैं, तो आपके साथ वो होता है. बट जब आपने ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू खाली ही कर दिया और आप हमेशा क्वेश्चन करते हो, बाहर निकल रहे हो और अच्छे से मस्ती में बोल रहे हो, हाउ डज इट गेट एनी बेटर? तो अच्छा ही बेटर बेटर ही कुछ कुछ होएगा. So that is the energy. So, you know, guys, it is very simple tools. Start using and start changing your life right now from today. And let's see what else is possible here. So, Parita, anything else do we share or we keep for some other time?
So we'll be coming over to more of these introductions also. And Sunday we have a bigger introduction session of this, going deep into it, where we'll be sharing more of tools and more of this, which will be obviously a paid session. So if y'all will be posting about it, and if y'all wish to choose that, y'all can, or y'all can, if you're wishing to choose a class with Ritu, me, we have online classes, we have classes in cities. There are many bars facilitator available all around the world. You all can choose anyone. It's like your energies जिसके साथ match होती है आप कर सकते हो. And yeah, what else is possible? And lots.
Do invite more people, especially अगर आपको अपने सर्कल में लग रहा है कि कोई ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको समझ नहीं आ रहा कि like you know उनकी लाइफ में they are at a place they feel at a rock bottom. Please introduce them to the possibility of access bars and access consciousness. And we have another fellow friend, Sonali, here. So we welcome her also on this platform with us. How lucky we got to have.
Hello.
Yes, yes. So guys, you know, this is the time, and why access consciousness is.
How did we get so lucky to have you both?
थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच कि जो अपनी अपनी सिटी में हम लोग सब फ्री सेशन कर रहे हैं. परिता पुणे में कर रही है, उमेश अहमदाबाद में हो. उमेश, यू आर वेयर? या उमेश अहमदाबाद में, सोनाली भी बैंगलोर में है, वो भी करती है. सो एवरीवन समवेयर हियर एंड देयर आर डूइंग. सो रीच आउट गाइस एंड इन फैक्ट इनवाइट मोर पीपल to this possibility. Okay,
Even if no crap, why not have more of life?
yes.
And get all of life comes to
Joy.
us with ease, joy and glory. Right? ऐसा
bring the
जरूरी
joy.
नहीं कि क्रैप में जाने के बाद ही modalities मिलनी चाहिए.
हाँ.
I believe
Exactly.
just give, gift. That's it.
Yes,
You
exactly.
gift and you receive.
Exactly. क्योंकि हम लोगों को यही लगता है जब तक गंध में जाके तब बदलना. No, what if there is nothing like that? What if you're always willing to have more fun, more joy, more glory every moment? अगर आपका मंत्र ऑफ लाइफ ही ये बन जाए कि it is going to be more ease for me and for everybody around me. So what a beautiful planet जो हमें सबको पता है अंदर से. That is what we are willing to have those possibilities out on this planet, guys. कि सबकी लाइफ में ईज हो, जॉय हो, ग्लोरी हो. Yes. So for today we sign
How
up.
does it get any better than this?
Yes.
Yeah.
And so grateful.
Guys, please keep remembering chanting this mantra like a magic wand. All of life comes to us with ease, joy, and glory. So even this Access Bus class comes to us with ease, joy, and glory. And I wonder what else is possible.
Absolutely.
Thank
And
you.
that's a That's Parita, that's such a new thing you have added. Ki for anything and everything you can add this comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Yes. Thank
Yeah.
you, guys. Thank you to each one of you present here. It really means a lot because when you choose something different, you have already कहते हैं ना कि आपने वो यूनिवर्स
भावना भी है
हाँ आपने
अहमदाबाद
yes
हाँ,
okay how does it get any better so आपने already universe को ये signal दे दिया है that I am ready to have
step
more fun on this planet so
step up.
you will create all of that so thank you and so grateful Parita we rocked and we rock and we'll keep rocking. Thank you, Mesh. Thank you, Sonali. Thank you, Smita, Bhavna, Preeti, Chitra, Prava.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Keep
Parita.
smiling. Keep smiling. Don't give up your smiles for any reason.
Happy on. Get your
Yes.
happy on.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Smita. Lovely smile. Umesh is always lovely.